Smart kids, we are going to learn new lesson. Story time. What do you see? Listen, repeat, and enact. This is the story from Mahabharat. Children, do you know Mahabharat? It is an popular show that comes in our television. Arjun, the prince, his brothers and cousin were being trained in archery and warcraft by the great teacher Dronacharya. Children, it is related to Mahabharat story. Arjun is a prince and his brothers and cousin they were trained in archery. And children, you know archery is a shooting type game. You can see in this picture once Dronacharya called his student. He said, I would like to see how you are practicing your archery skills. I will take a test. Children, in this picture you can see, this is a story from Mahabharat. You can see three Arjun, his cousin brother are there. You can see there are three brothers. You can see one uncle, it is great teacher. He is a Dronacharya. What he wants to do, he wants to take a test. He wants to take a archery skill. What did he said to the brothers? He said ki I will take a test. How you are shooting. Children, in this picture you can see there is a tree. There is a wooden parrot bird. Once Dronacharya called his student, he said, I would like to see how you are practicing your archery skill. I will take a test. So Dronacharya called all the students together. He placed a wooden parrot on a branch of tree. He said, now all of you get ready with your bow and arrow for the test. Look at the wooden bird on the branch of the tree. You have to hit exactly its eye. Children, in this picture you can see three cousins brother are there. One is Arjun, he is a prince. One Guruji uncle you can see, he is a Dronacharya. So what does he want to do? He wants to take a test. How can you do the shooting? So what did he said? See children, in that picture there was a tree. On that tree there is a parrot wooden bird sitting there. What did he said to the brothers? He said, who can shoot better? He wants to take what did he said? First you have to use bow and arrow for the shooting. Now we'll see. So Dronacharya called all the students together. He placed a wooden parrot on a branch of tree. He said, now all of you get ready with your bow and arrow for the test. Look at the wooden bird on the branch of the tree. You have to hit exactly its eye. All his students were excited. They stood in a line for the test. First came Bhim. He stretched his bow and set his arrow. As he was about to shoot the wooden bird's eye, Dronacharya said, wait Bhim, tell me, what do you see? Children, in this picture you can see three brothers are there. Arjun is a prince. Dronacharya you can see, he wants to take a test. How can he shoot? What did he said? Stand in a line. He said ki you have to shoot wooden parrot bird. You have to shoot wooden parrot bird's eyes. Eyes you have to shoot. So first Bhim came to shoot. He took his bow and arrow to shoot and he saw the wooden bird's eye. Now Dronacharya said, wait Bhim, tell me, what do you see? What Dronacharya said, wait Bhim, now what you are seeing from the tree? What you can see, there is a wooden bird. You have to shoot his eye. Bhim replied, Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds, the sun. What did Bhim said? I can see the sky, clouds and the sun. So Dronacharya said, Bhim, you will not shoot the wooden bird right now. Then came Yudhishthir. Dronacharya asked him the same question. Tell me, what do you see? Yudhishthir replied, Guruji, I see the wooden bird, the branches and the tree too. No, said Dronacharya, not ready to shoot yet. All the students were asked the same question. They had told about many things they saw around. They told they could see the sky, the cloud, the sun, the tree, the branch, the wooden bird and the friends too. But Dronacharya was not happy with their answer. Children, in this story you can see All are asking Guruji. They saw the sky, cloud, the sun. Some are asking they saw the wooden bird. But Dronacharya asking the main question. What do you want to shoot? He's saying he had to shoot the wooden bird's parrot eyes, not the wooden bird and the branches and others tree. But all three brothers, that's Bhim, Yudhishthira, they ask the same question. Now we'll see. Dronacharya was not happy with their answer. He stopped everyone. Nobody got a chance to shoot with the wooden bird. Finally, it was Arjun's turns. You can see in this picture, you can see Arjun. He is going to shoot now. Arjun was very good at archery. When he came forward, Dronacharya asked him the same question. Children, you can see in this picture, you can see Guruji. Guruji is his name is Dronacharya. And this picture you can see there is a Arjun who is very good at archery. So finally he came forward to shoot. Now Dronacharya was stopped. Everyone, nobody got a chance to shoot the wooden bird. Finally it was Arjun's turn to shoot. What do you see, Arjun? He asked. Arjun looked at the wooden bird and focusing on its eye. He replied, Guruji, I can see only the eye of wooden bird. What else do you see? Asked Dronacharya. Nothing else but the eye of the wooden bird. That's all I can see, replied Arjun. Shoot, said Dronacharya happily, and Arjun shot the arrow. It hit the wooden bird's eye exactly. The wooden bird fell down. Dronacharya patted on Arjun's back and said, focusing on your goal helps you to achieve it. Children, in this Dronacharya asked to all the brothers exactly what do you want to shoot. But Arjun's answers was correct. He said he can shoot. He is very good at archery. He said he has to shoot the wooden bird's parrot eyes. So what did he say? He took his bow and arrow for the shooting. He was focusing on his eye. He was focusing on eye. Then finally he shot the eye. Archery is a shooting game. For this game you use arrow and bow to shoot the things. Archery is the art, sport, practice skill of using bow to shoot. The word comes from the Latin. In modern times, mainly competition and reaction activity. In this picture you can see it is the archery game. For this game you use bow and arrow to shoot the things. In this picture you can see they are using the arrow and they are using the bow and arrow to shoot the things. It is a picture of archery game. Archery is a shooting game. It is used to shoot the things far. It is used to shoot the far things. Archery is a game. For this game we use bow, arrow to shoot the picture, to shoot the far picture. This is a picture of Deepika Kumari, India's #1 woman archer. Deepika Kumari is one of the leading archer. She won the gold medal. Deepika Kumari is an Indian archer. Please subscribe my channel.